The digital marketing landscape is evolving fast, and if you want to stay ahead in 2025, you need a solid roadmap. From AI-driven marketing to personalized experiences and the rise of short-form content, this video will break down the key trends and strategies you should focus on. So, grab your coffee and let's dive in. First up, AI and automation are going to dominate in 2025. Use AI to automate email marketing, content creation, and customer service for maximum efficiency. Next, short-form video content is taking over. Keep your videos under 60 seconds, hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, and include captions for better engagement. SEO isn't just about keywords anymore. Voice search and visual search are changing how people find information. Focus on question-based content and optimize for near-me searches to capture voice search traffic. With third-party cookies disappearing, brands will rely more on first-party data to deliver personalized experiences. That means collecting data directly from your audience through email lists, surveys, and loyalty programs. The more personalized your marketing, the better the results. Build a strong email list and use AI-driven segmentation to deliver tailored content to your audience. E-commerce and social media are merging like never before. Partner with authentic influencers in your niche and use live shopping events to increase conversions. So there you have it, your digital marketing roadmap for 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. See you in the next video.